Hi, my name is Leo and today I want to share with you how to make your own overhead rig for your camera without spending a lot. So let's keep it short and let's get to it. Basically, to build this, you only need a 3D printer and that's pretty much it. You don't need much.
Well, that is not exactly true, so let's talk about materials real quick. Well, a 3D printer is essential for this project. Materials are also important, and here's the list of all the things we use in this video. I bought 60-inch long, 3/4 inch thick copper pipe from Home Depot and heat inserts from Amazon, and I was using PETG Overture plastic, which wasn't expensive and is stronger than PLA. I also had some epoxy laying around and not a Bose assortment set from Harbor Freight. With all of that, total cost is about $45 depending on your location, but for me it was even cheaper. I'm not adding the full cost of plastic because you can always use it to print something else. You will also need a screwdriver, an impact driver, a soldering iron, and a 3D printer. In this video later, I decided to polish the pipe, so I also used the finishing box. I also used polisher and a sanding disc, but this is really just for the look. If you are going for the project itself, you don't care how it looks like, you can skip this process.
Here is my own model. I designed this 3D printed parts. We printed them yesterday and it's only 5 parts. This is a holder that will clamp, that will act like a clamp for the pipe. This is basically just an end. It has this small things, just to hold some weight on the other hand to counterweight the camera part. And this is the mount for the camera. It will have the screw coming out of here for the camera, and this is mount support. I'm not sure what this part is called, but it is what it is. We might not use it. So to make this work, I think we need only 5 heat inserts here. I have my soldering iron hot and ready. And it's pretty simple. I already tried it. Well, I'm not gonna start with this part. I'm gonna start with this part, just in case if I mess up. So now the head mount for the camera. It also needs the same screw. It goes inside. The hole is a little bit tight, but it's fine. And I think we might use epoxy for this. So we actually have all the parts here. Everything is ready to assemble, but we need to take care of the pipe because it's copper and it can oxidize. I'm gonna sand it first, and I have finishing wax here. It'll kind of take care of that, but it's not gonna take. at this point, we can assemble it. Now I'm gonna use epoxy for this as well, because why not? We have it anyway. And it should be good now. It looks perfect actually, as you can see. The screw is in place, everything is in place. The last step we need to take is to assemble these two parts to clamp it down, and then we can actually use a tripod to put it on there, I guess. You just need 4 screws and you need to align them so it goes in the hole, each of them. Did I do it? Yep. So the last step is just to assemble this. Well, it's assembled, we just need to put it on a tripod here. And I have this thing on from the tripod. And it's perfect. Here it is. Right now we only need a counterweight on the other side because it's heavy. Okay. Here's my counterweight. That's a bottle of ketchup from Walmart. I mean, it works. Even with ketchup. Yeah, I guess let's tighten it a little bit more. I'm gonna level it on a tripod here. Like this. You do need to make sure your tripod is steady and everything is tight so everything holds in place. Let's put something on a table and see how it looks like. I think with this setup, you can record amazing videos and you don't have to pay a lot because it's really easy to make yourself one. And it doesn't have to be this long, it's just I'm lazy to cut this pipe, I guess. I mean, it could have been a little bit shorter. I can see now. Well, it still works perfectly, so I don't know what to say. What else? I don't know what to say else. I don't know what to.
What else to say?
I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's working, it's good, so. It looks good. It looks like a professional thing, I guess. And yeah, of course, I will change this bottle of ketchup as a counterweight because it just doesn't look right and it's not the right weight for the camera. But that's the only change I would change. I would change it later, But yeah, that's perfect. So, what do you think about this? I mean, this is almost 60 inches extension for your camera, and you can do overhead videos really easy with this one. And we will see how much it is overall. Like, we'll put it in the video somewhere in the second section. We'll call it materials. But I think for me, it came out about $40 or so compared to $70 overhead rig for, it's only 36 inches if I remember correctly, and it's $70. And this is almost twice longer for half the price. So this is really good for me. And yeah, if you like this video and if you like this thing, leave a like, subscribe to our channel. We're gonna post more and more later. We're working on a slider. I'm working on different other things. So there will be content coming soon. And leave a comment below what you think and everything. And I will see you in the next videos. Thank you.